Mame ma wakwaba emfa umbra Ghana SM TVGH so wofre me adwoa searching. Ebusuafo ora Kwame Adinkra host political talk show wo Pure FM no na bedwafo e no mo discussion efa eye ensema Reverend Intim Fojo allegedly or the betu about cocaine na sikebi hu sema plane be besi Ghana ha be bebra office of the president be reply akofenze bebraba. Now, Andra, was it last week, Reverend Intim Fojo, and Sammy Gyamfi, Aquadanyame, babies with sharp teeth, and Quatina Joy FM. And just Sammy Gyamfi, no, now your cup is full, and God will punish you. And Sammy Gyamfi, what position is him? Who are Sammy Gyamfi? Where do Ghana? I know because your cup will be full, and I say your cup is full. In some who are Sammy Gyamfi wakeka wo Ghana hetimi ko gina galamsey site ekoye press conference say yensu say momo back in Piski na mokoye press conference sisi yensu no crowd the first na emilo first na ye leptin sisi ada na milo atra milo kra aye milo bi obi di man mo US and any tuntum chocolate and o ya sa na sisi yensu ni sa na ahoye eno no ntumi meka ya bofra boni a she said, why the politics do Ghana how office Ghana ya there? I can say obi abeka say media allegation abeto so to offer information but I want to ask. Now what's a media who allegation na o print papers now the better TV so now can. Does it mean so evidence? As evidence now the buy and how will I know say correct evidence now the abano. Meaning maybe I'll coffee fee. The fact so bit media TV so I pronounce the figures be I can send be and it doesn't mean say you have your friend say facts. And evidence tia party be. It is allegedly say Reverend Intim Fojo Atia San Wabeka so until ya come back almost say a friend say every rumor be ano there is an iota of truth. Yeah, obi omudia sembe tools be an enya na asem the kakra bi wom. Ye ne yanka say aban no a deal with a coke. Nti mo aseba. Nenu na enye owura Adinkra mo show so much as Sammy Gyamfi. Who are you? And you're not saying I'll be politics man. Who are you? Shut up. Interest in seminal AC a coin.
The allegations now, for the buyer no, and then no credit, plain dear buy, nay legitimate, plain no, tune a buyer, what you for bako, now a problem, and they say refuel, bako so was some mechanical. If I don't recollect all of them, but the voice is still on a straighter handle. Or chichi mo to say, or more just to say place nearby. But Kwame and some you see, any day come a man 40 year. Yenya yeti ne pa, you met my fast the old Canadian crown and send you which means there's some credence in what the man was saying. But see, as some say, yeah, then I can say, American names are Western society, no, so we will be enemy of the state. Yeah. That movie you keep reminding us of. So you're ordinary person, and you have in social standing, Kakrabi Krana, so Paso de Adibiba, that's the state no one's ever had now. Then they give you a bad name, and then so that as and when you are going ahead of your allegations, people will say, oh, Nasa Nipa will grano, we are say, Sebu, Nadimuna, we are so, we are so, near Crajano, Nano, Nekrama Crewunre. Now I say, oh, problem in Tina, oh, Kakasana, Ekimia, de Asenka Semono. You can't thank Reverend for Joe because of these allegations. If anything at all, yes, it's bad if it's true. But say okay, say the oil in the say we about them, say we know or a child is now some if you could do for your atoms say size no demo. Nana say na political poster. Dear pa the man some who the impetus to insult in for Joe. I can understand lessons that they are both MPs. But Sammy should exercise some restraint kakra. Any kwachu for should exercise some restraint kakra. Whoa, kwachu for na idiot man was came on presidency will grab you. Because Kwame Salome there, we have found to damn you. Uni Salome. But I'm in Thomas so. So who know? It's Salome. We see my Thomas
right now on Pure 95.7. And thanks for the input that you've been making this morning. Question is, Yendi MPP in Komokaka, Honorable Kennedy Japan, or say, Obibia, or anybody NPP Mubia, or their channel. And Obibia also anybody be no sense of channel.
Anybody that feels I've offended him, I apologize. Anybody who feels He has offended me. I have forgiven him. We need to come together and become one formidable force that is ready to fight. It's not going to be easy in 2028. It's going to be tough. But with unity, I assure you, we have the men. We'll gather the men, put them together, and there will be a showdown.
Pure FM 95.7. Radio for the Royals.
Kwesi, Ken forgives.
No, he's forgiving who? He should forgive himself because the afternoon the pronouncements are especially the supporters who come say the meme cosimenza munya granka pre-radio kamamu frame view nanka uja obo support Ken kwa nemra because omo penokre omo say Ken kanokre be na make catch no I say Ken so be offended no now oti my how say be offended Ken da. He has been offending everybody, including the sitting president and the vice president. He's the first person to have stood outside. Minti bida so be a person who do manpenny eja bontese mi donyame. Sakasa no ye meti for ne kokosa mi donyame no. I mean who does that? Street yeah. Mi donyame mema mo showdown.
More of a gangster.
The best. No. And woke kan ya hwe Ken. So benefits so you know simpia ye boom and to call jikun ya oni anas benya problem no na nya ntokwa o anas investigation kan ni mu da kwasi nya ntachi sa number 12 as then e ba ya or implicated kwasi nya and ne two no because na no yonko ni kwasi nya ntachi so be different kwasi nya ntachi at all cost against anas na some ba ya ye dina tema ide am shole you kura kwasi no ko at kwasi nya ntachi o mai mu what is obo wakra da adai Ken say MPP are offending her, and I know we are offending all the chair. We are offending. Coming, I that's my radio article. Be say MPP move. Be a he was offended. Obi anya no sister. Opa omubudi. Obi anya no. But me to matna bubo nipa be 100 that Ken. I offend you omo needlessly. Unprovoked.
Yeah. There are instances I know Kenya Japan indicate say MPs be a betray no on to me fan.
That is between
somewhere
party.
Yes, somewhere February 2024. Yeah. Ghana Web reports that MP. I can't MP primaries. I can't forgive MPs I supported who betrayed me.
He said MPs. Yes. He didn't say MPP.
So MPs that I supported who betrayed me.
I am defending MPP right here, non-MPs. Oh, any power no offending offended. That one is there. But say party no. If you are not address a phone same who knows on number can say party no. I defame no. What? Defame? You took a whole position, a ministerial position for 1 year for ransom. Not your brutally. You're from and the party kept faith with you, kept the post until you came and said, more Jeffrey with them. And you one post to Minister Pahua. She was also a ranking in Parliament. They kept all of that for you, young girl. I just suffer. And they say, oh, Papa, Aji, Abuba, Dominico Benyantino, you not a mumuda. So what you know, Papa Niwa, Dominico Benyano, and before any about who you are and answered the fine. Fine. Even a Shantarojan crime people trying to put my crown. They lost 7 seats. The party hasn't collapsed. I just have found them say party now offending into the man on radio tour. And then go for bombs and mano. And also now have a big and say, oh, we are why Bonibia. Me see MPP near Japan Bonibia. Or power minimum homeless to do a debate for back to back.
And I wait and I pay there. Wait a make a biana.
Mamimiaza.
No, or can you
Mamimiaza, or the Mamimiaza, we are not. Me ready from PFM our PFM TV online and I me go ready here and ko comments igwase she'll be shocked they can't be kind but kumasi for pan them is everybody told me say she should shut up on kananuntum to be people are even saying I can read some for you right now because it's still there.
This comment from Honorable Ken should have been made before the election.
Thank you. What I say? Why you fisa to kwa kanapa no pay? Somebody got TV so minui papa minui what TV so no any station you unjaka on to time nti nensem ma mantokwa me to omo ho ato ba bia ni kwaso obudin wo radio so nyina obo wada ho so be president ye dize oman no arentia dem pa na to Ghana ba umia ho ameto aba makai me to aba makenda se ba umia anyhow. I'm telling you, drama now. If it's about 2028, it is not about apologizing and becoming